Hi everyone, this is Diecast channel. Let's go to one more video. In this video I'm going to show you this 1956 Chevrolet Cameo Pickup. This is a very nice pickup. It's made in 1/18 scale by ERTL Collectibles. I have had this model for a pretty long time, and it's a very nice pickup I have in my collection. Let's take a look at it. Before we do so, please don't forget to leave your like, to subscribe my channel, and also to click the bell for news. Let's go on. Well, up front, it's a very nice pickup. We can see that the grille was a reproduction of a real grille. It's an actual grille. The bumpers with the brackets are very well made with all the rivets and screws they're supposed to be in this bumper. The chrome is a little bit worn up, but considering it's a very old model, it's in pretty good shape. Chevrolet badge right here in the center of the hood, and the engine, which is a very nice small block V8, just similar to those ones used in the Chevrolet Bel Airs. The battery is here in a sort of a shelf, we can see, and right on the firewall. The hinges are very well made, as well as the hood itself. And the engine bay, it's pretty well detailed. It's not the most detailed engine bay I've ever seen, but it's pretty well made. Chevrolet badge right here is made in a separate piece. It's very nice. It's a very nice trim, just like this trim around the windows. This pickup was made in this different tone of white. There was actually white that reminded of an ivory tone on it's kind of ivory white with this dark red around the windows and interior. As we can see, the interior, the dashboard is very well made. It's very nice, really, and the mirrors are in the right proportions. The sun visors were not made in this case, but as well as a headliner, but still it's a very nice interior. The door hinge is a simple model, and the door panel is correct, just like the real car, real truck. Tailgate actually opens, and the bed is pretty correct and pretty well made. It's all in red in the inside. I think in the actual truck, these laterals here were actually made of fiberglass. I'm not quite sure of it. The taillights, very well made, as well as a bow tie, and a rear bumper that's in the body color. Wheels and tires remind those ones in the Bel Air, the 56 Bel Air. Door handle, the gas cap, and interior, better look. As we can see, the cluster is just like that one in the Bel Air, and the steering wheel, actually, if we turn it, front tire steer, just like happens in the other 1/18 cars. The door stop, it's pretty realistic. And the lines of this car are really elegant and very nice. Well, last but not least, let's take a look at the bottom. We can see the bottom is very well made, and with the chassis is very correctly reproduced with the front and rear suspensions. They're actually fixed. They have no springs here, but they do not work, but they are really nice reproductions of the real ones, just like the chassis itself, engine and tranny, and the drive shaft, and the exhaust pipe, and the gas tank. They're all perfect, all very well made, very well built. I really like this Chevy truck. It's a very nice model by ERTL. Well, that's going to be it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave a like and your comments. I thank you for the views, for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.